How to get PayPal credit or debit Mastercard. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in PayPal debit or credit card, whatever you want. I'm going to search for PayPal credit card. Now click on the very first one website option, paypal.com, credit cards. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now scrolling down, you will see this option of apply for PayPal credit. Click on it. Now you will need to provide your credentials over here. Type in your email or phone number. After you type in, click on next. Now type in the password. Once you type in, click on login. Once logged in, you can navigate to the wallet section. Click on three bars given at the top left. Click on wallet. Now from this page, you are able to request for credit or debit PayPal Mastercard. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily get PayPal credit or debit Mastercard. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.